Alright guys, welcome back. This is my new purchase. This is like my new daily E91 320D touring, 174 brake horsepower. It's pretty nice, 6-speed manual, heated seats. I'm going on I literally just bought it yesterday. Doors wouldn't lock. We fixed that. It was a fuse, thankfully. We need to change the wipers, put some washer fluid in it, sort the tyres out. I'm going on like a 800-mile journey up north, back, so yeah. Just figuring everything out, making sure it's all alright. It's nice though. Nice clean car. For the money, absolute bargain. New wipers and all that. Needs brakes all round. 2 rear tyres. But yeah, it's very nice. Anyway, I thought my mate was like, "Oh, should we service it today quickly? Like it's a Sunday." I thought we'll go in the morning. Literally got it yesterday on Saturday. I was like, "Nah, it'll be alright. Don't need to service it." Anyway, so filling up this washer, and I was like, I'll have a little look at the air filter just to see. I was like, it's a little dirty, but that's alright. Bro, thankfully it's obviously on the side to stop the dirt coming in, but that's not good. This definitely needs servicing. I don't think I'm going to do it before I go, which is a bit of a nightmare. But yeah, the new daily driver. I have some more videos on this, you know, doing the brakes and stuff and servicing it. We're just going to clean up. We're just taking, it's got a heated seat, but the passenger one works and the driver don't. So we're going to take the passenger's module, put it on the driver's one, and see if this then works. And I can just buy a new module for that side. Oh, also the AC fans motor is broken, so I need to buy a new one of them. I think that's it for a minute. Oh, we need to change your bulb in the back, reverse light. Yeah, I think that's about it. So we'll get all them sorted. I'm going to take this air filter out and try to clean it a bit. We'll see what happens, but nice little car. Right, I've got the seat up to see the module. All the shit under there. Pretty dirty. Mate's found a couple quid as well. Always nice. We'll get that hoovered up while he's getting the other one sorted. I'll show you that in a second. We've got the modules out, that's them there. So just switching them over. Have a little hoover up. Switch them over and see if that's the problem. Hopefully it's just the module. You can get them for a couple of quid. While he's doing that, I'm working on this. Unfortunately I can't get a new one, so I'm gonna have to reuse this fucking thing. Might try get a new one. Look at it, it's crazy. Show you inside the airbox. Disgusting. Get that hoovered out quickly. Right, took that out, cleaned up as best I can. Cleaned in there. So that'll be alright for a bit, I mean, I guess. Maybe take that off, I don't know. It's like under there. It's not too bad. Definitely gonna be restricted, but definitely better than before. I mean, holy, you know, there was a whole bit there that was well restricted, so. First thing I'll do when I get up there is I'll buy one of these. I'll get one ordered and I'll pick it up when I get up there. But yeah, I'll put that back in now.
See, was that the module?
No, it was.
I'm not fucking complaining again.
Right, so we've just sorted that out. I cleaned up underneath and we've put the seats back on now. And I thought it was working, but it's not. So it must be the seat, because this one still works with that one's module. So that module is on this seat, and this seat's module is on that one. And this one still works, and that one doesn't. So it must be the seat. Maybe some electrical issue, I'm not sure. It could be a fuse. I'll have to look through the fuses, but could be a fuse possibly, I guess. But I'm not sure. There's like 8 fuses for them, so Another decrew. I'm pretty sure I looked actually yesterday. No, I did, yeah. There was a couple of fuses that like said, oh, it could be this one, like say 32 or whatever, and I looked and there wasn't even 32 in it, but that could be if like it was rear heated seats or something, so I'm not sure. I'll have to dig a bit deeper into it. But yeah, we sorted that out. Got the new wiper blades on. I did not buy a rear wiper blade because I thought it'd be fine. I didn't check. And there isn't a blade on it, so that's good. Just sorting the rear light out now, reverse light. Just this one in here. I'll show you the original wiper blades. They don't look that bad, but you can tell they're like meant to be flat, you know, and that one's ripped and everything. This one was worse. Ripped in the centre there, so two of them. We'll change the plates out as well. But yeah, I'm just basically just, you know, you get a new car, cleaning it, everything. So I've been cleaning off all the stickers on the windscreen and stuff. And the classic E90 door handle, that's disgusting, so got some goo off somewhere. I'll spray that and try to get rid of most of that, because it leads to like black stuff on your hands. It's disgusting. So I'll quickly clean that. I'm ready to do in the reverse light. Right, I'm just doing this. I've seen a lot of people like sand them down and stuff, and like scratch all the surface. All I've got is a plastic like Stanley knife, and all I'm doing is down from the top, scraping all the way down. You can see it's like a nice run, so I'm just gonna keep doing that. Alright, just scrape that off with the plastic removal, the plastic Stanleys. As you can see, there's not even a scratch on it, and it's clean, so that'll do for a minute. I'll buy a new one of these front pieces. This is just temporary, just so like people don't get their hands dirty. But I'll buy a new one of these front pieces when I get back, and I'll take this door handle off completely and just remove all the other bit. Like all that's dry like that. That's not messy. This top bit's fine as well. It's just this centre section. So yeah, we'll sort that out when I get back, but just temporary fix. But yeah, if you're doing this, definitely use a plastic Stanley and you won't scratch it. It comes right off. Bit of goo off and a wipe afterwards, it's sweet. Alright, so my mate's just pulled the AC motor out and we knocked it on like that, right? And it was fine. We're like, the fuck? My mate was like, just turn it up right, because it sits up like that. So I did it, and it just started going crazy. So there must be like a bearing or some shit inside that makes it sound awful. So definitely new one of them. I thought it was hopefully just like a blade that snapped and I could just remove it or something, but no, unfortunately not. So get a new one of them, and yeah, we should be sound to go. Alright guys, well, I thought I'd just show you around the Beamer, show you some of the issues that it's got for the minute, and what we're fixing. Yeah, this is my new daily. I'm going to drive it up north tomorrow, about 400 miles, and then 400 miles back, so hopefully it's alright. When I get up there, I might give it a service or something, or at least change that air filter, minimum. Obviously it needs new brakes all around as well, but it should be alright for doing that. If I don't do it up there when I get back, we'll sort it all out, but I'll just show you around it. It's a nice little car, should be some videos on it. Yeah, thanks for watching guys, see you later.